Sir, in the last video, I covered up to LBP number 10. Okay, sir, which is nothing but sum of even digits and sum of odd digits. Sir, now I want to write a program to calculate sum of prime digits in the given number. Sir, they have given a number n. We need to identify sum of prime digits in that number. Okay, then you have to calculate sum of individual digits. Let us consider n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sir, sum of prime digits is what? Initially 0 we have to take. Sir, 1 is not a prime digit, 2 is the prime digit, 3 is the prime digit, 4 is not a prime digit. Sir, your expected answer is 5. Now my question is, sir, could you please post in chat window, sir, which prime digits are there between 0 to 9? Sir, in between 0 to 9, sir, which prime digits we have? I don't know. Please post it on chat window. Between 0 to 9, sir, which are prime digits? Which numbers are prime digits? I don't know, sir. Please post it on chat window. Everyone. Oi, Harish. 0 is not a prime number. 0 is not a prime number. Very good. Sir, we are going to get 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. Sir, after seeing Sufyan, 1 is not a prime number. Sir, after seeing this program, majority of the people are going to do, sir, first they will write the logic for prime number. But of course here, prime number logic is not required. Sir, why? What is the reason? I am explaining, observe carefully. Sir, we are dealing with the digits. We are dealing with the digits. Digit means we know it will be either 0 or 1. So digit means we know it will be either 0 or 1. So out of that, we won't gain anything, right? So digit means either 0 or 1. Out of that, we won't get anything, right? So that's why I'm going to write logic like this. Okay. Sir, while initially sum is equal to 0, sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, until the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, I am taking digit is equal to n percentage 10. Sir, don't add sum if your digit is equal to 2, or if your digit is equal to 3, or if your digit is equal to 5, sir, or if your digit is equal to 7. If any one of these conditions satisfied, sir, then only please add that digit to sum. Then n is equal to n by 10 I have. That's all. Sir, finally, we have to print the value of sum, which will print sum of prime digits. Could you please confirm any doubts up to this? Please confirm, friends. Do you have any doubts up to this? Okay. Yeah, sir, we are dividing the number into individual entities. Sir, every time we are fetching the digit. If your digit is equal to 2 or 3 or 5 or 7, then I am adding that digit to sum. Because, sir, if any one of these digit came, then it is the prime number. You only told, right? These are nothing but the prime digits. If your digit is any one of these, I am adding to prime digits. Okay. Sir, let me go for C language implementation. Okay, let me go for C language implementation. Observe carefully. I am going to solve this problem in C language. Observe carefully. Sir, I am writing the same program in C language. So integer, I am taking n. So digit we have to take, and initially sum is required. Okay. How to write 0 to 10? Yeah, we will discuss later, Raghavendra. That program is there. There I will discuss. Okay, please concentrate on the program what we are dealing. Okay, remaining programs you will get. So I am reading the number from the user. Scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. So initially the value of sum is equal to 0. Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0, okay, digit is equal to, I am taking n percentage 10. So what is the logic that we have taken? If a digit is equal to 2, or if it is equal to 3, or if it is equal to 5, or if it is equal to 7, sir, sum is equal to sum plus d we have to take. Then n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. That's all. Sir, finally we have to print the value of sum, right? Sir, let me run the code. Whether it is going to work or not, we will cross check. Yes, sir, you can see all the three test cases are passed successfully. Let us submit the program for final approval. You can see all the remaining test cases also satisfied, sir. This is the way how you can able to implement in C language. Sir, let me go for Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java, we will see now. Sir, I am taking Java program. What is the first step? We have to read input from the user. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in. N is equal to obj.nextInt. Sir, sum must be required and a digit also must be required. Okay. Sir, initially sum is equal to 0, while the value of n is not equal to 0. Sir, first we have to extract the digit and some. When we have to add sum, if your digit value is equal to 2, or if it is equal to 3, or if it is equal to 5, okay, or if it is equal to 7, then sum is equal to sum plus d. Sir, n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. Sir, finally system dot out dot println of I am printing the value of yes. So let me run the code. Sir, you can see all the public test cases are passed, and let us submit the code for final approval. Sir, is the private test cases passed or not? Yes. Sir, this is the way how you can able to solve this problem in Java. So I want to go for Python implementation. Let us see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. I am selecting the programming language as a Python. Sir, n is equal to int of input I am taking. Then initially sum is equal to 0, while the value of n is not equal to 0. Sir, digit is equal to n percentage 10. Sir, if digit is equal to 2, or if digit is equal to 3, or if digit is equal to 5, or if digit is equal to 7, sir, you have to take sum is equal to sum plus d. So n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. Finally, we have to print the value of yes. That's all. Sir, but you should not take single division, right? We have to take double slash. I already explained in the last video. Let me run the code. So all the three test cases are passed, and let us submit the code for final approval. So you can see all the remaining test cases also passed, sir. Okay. Sir, this is nothing but how you can able to implement this problem in Python. Sir, up to this, so do you have any doubts? Please confirm. Yeah, Sufyan, in the syntax, Python syntax, you will get where to use, where we should not use. So in the looping statements, control flow statements, if conditions, in everywhere we have to use indentation, functions, all these things. Okay. Sir, I request everyone to respond. Any doubts up to this? No. In Python, semicolon is not required. Sir, clear up to this? Sir, please actively participate. I request everyone to respond. If you are giving response like that, then how I can able to take the session? Yes. Sufyan, why you are concentrating on Python? The language which you know, please concentrate on that. Okay, Ash we have to use. It is not a Python class, man. Okay, Ash we have to use. Yes, let me go for the next one. So what is the next problem here? Have you observed some of the digits which are divisible by 3? Sir, we have to find out the sum of digits which are divisible by 3. Sir, how you can check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not? Sir, do you have any logic for that? Anyone? Could you please confirm how to check whether the given number is digit is divisible by 3 or not? How you can able to check, sir? Yes, please confirm. Very good. So not sum, sir, Prashant, not sum. That digit divisible by 3 means, sir, that digit percentage 3 is equal to 0, we have to take. Sir, I am taking logic, observe carefully. Initially, sum is equal to 0, while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir. Okay, sir, I am going to fetch a digit is equal to n percentage 10. So if the value of digit percentage 3 is equal to 0, that means that number is divisible by 3, sir. Then we have to add that digit to sum, or else, sir, n is equal to n by 10 I am taking. That's all, sir. Finally, I need to print the value of s. That's all, which will return sum. Okay, sir, let me check whether it is going to work or not. Sir, I want to implement this program in all the languages. Could you please confirm up to this logic, is it clear for you people? Up to this logic, is it clear for you people? Please confirm. Yes. Now let me go for C language implementation. Sir, I want to implement this program by using C language. Let us see how you can able to implement. Sir, I am taking the programming language as a C. What is the first step? We have to read a number from the user, assume it is n, so digit must be calculated, sum is equal to initially 0. Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n I am taking. Sir, I am reading the value of n. Okay, now, sir, what is the next step? So sum is equal to initially 0, while the value of n is not equal to 0. So first we have to calculate digit. Digit is equal to n percentage 10. So what is your next requirement? Sir, you have to check whether that digit is divisible by 3 or not. So if d percentage 3 is equal to 0, then I am going to take sum is equal to sum plus d. Then n is equal to n by 10 as usual. Finally, sir, I am printing the value of sum. Okay, let us see what will happen and let us run the code. So successfully the code compiles and even executed for public test cases. And let me submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can able to see all the remaining test cases are also passed, sir. This is the way how you can able to provide implementation in C language. So I want to take Java implementation for this program. Let us see how you can able to implement in Java. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of I am taking system.in. Sir, integer n is equal to, so obj dot next int I am taking sum and then digits are required. Sir, initially sum is equal to 0, while the value of n is not equal to 0, digit is equal to n percentage 10 I am taking. Sir, if digit percentage 3 is equal to 0, that means what? If that number is divisible by 3, then I am taking sum is equal to sum plus digit. So or else n is equal to n by 10 as usual. Now I need to run the code. Sir, if you submit, if you run the code, so it is going to run, but finally we have to print the value of yes, right? I forgot that. Now let me run the code. You can able to see both the test cases are passed, and submit the code for final approval. Yes. So all the test cases are cleared here. Now I need to go for Python implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Python, we will discuss today. Okay, observe carefully. As usual, we have to read the value of input from the user. Sir, initially sum is equal to 0. While the value of n is not equal to 0, digit is equal to n percentage 10 I am taking. Sir, if d percentage 3 is equal to 0, that means if it is divisible by 3 means, sir, I am adding that digit to sum. And finally, n is equal to n double slash 10. Sir, after coming out from this while loop, we have to print the value of sum. Let me run the code and let us submit the code for final approval. So you can able to see all the test cases are passed successfully. Sir, this is nothing but what we have. Okay. Sir, hope it is very clear for you people. Sir, do you have any doubts up to this? Please confirm. I request everyone to respond. Do you have any doubts up to this? Very good. Sir, I will update the hacker rank list. Don't worry. So because whatever programs we are going to do, just we will update based on that. Okay. Sir, now what is the next program? Number of digits. Sir, implement a program to calculate the number of digits in the given number. Okay. Nothing but something like a length. Something like a length we have to print. Sir, now how to write this? Sir, we have multiple logics are there. Logic 1. Sir, take counter is equal to 0. Okay. Then while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, now I am taking counter plus plus n is equal to n by 10. How many times this loop is going to run? Sir, that is nothing but a number of digits available. Sir, what is the second logic? Sir, read in string format. Okay. And print length of the string. Length of the string. That's all. Sir, in C language, we have strlen function is there. Sir, in Java, okay, in Java, sir, we have, okay, length function is there. In Python, sir, we have len function is there. You can apply these for printing the length. So any methodology you can use. Sir, which is recommended? Second one is recommended, because if you are doing any arithmetic operations, then we have to consider the data in the form of number. But here we are not concentrating on that. Just we are concentrating on normal things. That's why, sir, directly we can run. I hope the logic is very clear for you people. Could you please confirm, is the logic is clear for you people, guys? Please confirm. So let me go for C language implementation. Okay. I want to go with C language. Sir, C language normal implementation I will take, but in Java and Python, I will go with the string format, sir. Okay. That will be good. integer n, count is equal to 0. Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n while the value of n is not equal to 0. Okay, sir, count plus plus and n will become n by 10. So printf percentage d comma the value of count we have to print. Let me run the code and see what will happen. Okay, let me run the code and see what will happen, and let us submit the code. Sir, you can able to see all the test cases got cleared. This is nothing but how to implement in C language. So let me take Java implementation. Sir, how you can able to solve this problem in Java, we will see now. Sir, scanner obj is equal to new scanner we have system dot in. So I'm reading the data in the form of string. String s is equal to, sir, obj dot next line is there. Okay. Now directly I am printing system dot out dot println of sir s dot, you can apply length function. So length function will return the number of characters present in that particular string, sir. Let me run the code working properly and submit the code. Sir, whenever you are performing arithmetic operations, then only read the data in the form of integer. So if you are not performing arithmetic operation, so in what format you are reading, it is up to your choice. Now I need to go for Python implementation. Let me see how you can able to solve this problem in Python. Yes, sir, I am taking the data in the form of string only. S is equal to input. Sir, print of length of S I am taking. That's all. Automatically, it is going to return the number of characters available. Yes, sir, all the test cases are clear. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in Python. Sir, do you have any doubts in this challenge, sir? Please confirm. Clear, right? Yes. Which one? Without length function, sir, you have to implement all these things. If everything I am explaining, then what is the reason for joining this course? Okay, without length function, how you can able to do the core concept I explained in the logic, right? So that is the logic we have to take. Okay, okay, no problem. See here, so I will get more, sir. So you have to practice. If you are not getting, then you have to ask. Count is equal to 0. Sir, n is equal to, I will accept in the form of integer. Then what I'm going to do, while the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, count is equal to count plus 1, n is equal to n double slash 10. Sir, finally we have to print the value of count. Yes. So that is the reason why I covered without functions in C language. Okay, clear now? This is the way how you can able to implement in without using len function. Clear, sir? Yeah. Let me go for the next problem. What we have here is, sir, reverse integer. Okay, reverse integer. Sir, what is this problem? Given an integer x, sir, they have given an integer called x. They have given an integer number x. So we have to return the value of x with its digits reversed. Sir, we have to reverse the content of the digit. That is nothing but the problem statement. Let us see how you can able to do this. Sir, the logic for this is nothing but initially I am taking reverse is equal to 0. Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0. While the value of n is not equal to 0, sir, I am calculating digit. Digit is equal to n percentage 10. Sir, there is one special formula is there for calculating reverse. What is that formula? Is nothing but reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus d. And n is equal to n by 10 we have to take. Sir, finally, you need to print the value of r, sir. Okay, observe carefully. I will explain this logic by taking one example. Suppose if the number is 123, initially the value of reverse is 0. Sir, is the value of n is equal to 0? No. Sir, we have to find out a digit. From this, what is the digit that you are going to get? 3. Sir, reverse is equal to reverse into 10. What is the previous reverse? 0. 0 into 10 will become 0. Plus what is the digit? 3. So reverse is updated to 3. Then what is the next one? Sir, n is equal to n by 10. That 123 will become 12. Now what is the value of n? It is 12. Sir, again it is not equal to 0. Digit is nothing but 2. Reverse is equal to, what is the previous reverse? 3. 3 into 10 will become 30. Sir, 30 plus 2 is nothing but 32. It is updated to 32. Sir, next n is equal to 1. Sir, n is equal to 1. Sir, in this, what is the digit? 1. Sir, 320 is the reverse, right? 320 plus, 32 into 10, it will become 320. Sir, 320 plus 1 will become 321. Now, what is the value of n? 0. When n is equal to 0, it will stop. Sir, what is the latest value of reverse? 321. Sir, is it the reverse of original number or not? Yes. Some people may have, sir, why you have multiplied with 10? Because, sir, if you take any number, 137, 4 like this, sir, it is unit position, it is tens position, it is hundreds position, sir, it is thousands position. Sir, how these values got incremented? 10 power 0, 10 power 1, sir, 10 power 2, 10 values got incremented, right? Okay, that is the reason. Sir, could you please confirm, is the logic is clear for you people? Please confirm, friends. Is the logic is clear for you people? Yes. Now let me take a C language implementation for this. How you can able to solve this problem in C? Sir, I am selecting LBP number 14. Now observe what will happen. C language code. Sir, integer n, reverse I am taking, and then digit. Sir, scanf percentage d comma ampersand n. I accepted the number. What is your next requirement? Sir, you have to find out the digit, right? Sir, initially reverse is equal to 0. Sir, while the value of n is not equal to 0. Sir, digit is equal to n percentage 10 I am taking. Now reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus d. Now n is equal to n by 10. That's all. Finally, you need to print the value of reverse. Let me run the code and see what will happen. Sir, you can able to see all the 3 test cases are satisfied. Let me submit the code for final approval. Yes, you can able to see all the remaining test cases also satisfied, sir. This is nothing but how you can able to implement in C language. So I want to go for Java implementation. Sir, in Java, you can apply this logic, or sir, we have one predefined tool is there. Okay, sir, what is that tool is? Observe carefully, sir. I am going to read the data in the form of string. Scanner obj is equal to new scanner of system.in I am taking. Sir, I got the number. Now, I got the input device. Sir, string s is equal to obj dot next line. I am reading the string, sir. Sir, in Java, we have one special type of string is there with name string buffer. Okay, remember carefully, in Java, sir, we have a special string is there with name string buffer. which contains reverse operation, which internally contains reverse operation. Sir, I am printing. Okay, 1 minute. I will create that string. Sir, string buffer SB is equal to, sir, new string buffer of, sir, I am taking S as the input. So my string is converted into string buffer. Of course, in that we have number only. Okay, but I am considering in the form of string and I converted to string buffer. Then in string buffer we have one special method is there with the name reverse. Sir, if you call this, what will happen? The content which is there in the string, it will be reversed. So in string we don't have reverse function, so that's why I converted my string into string buffer. Later I got this reverse. Let me run the code. Sir, you can see 3 test cases are passed, and let us submit the code for final approval. Sir, you can see all the remaining test cases are passed or not? Yes. Sir, this is nothing but how you can implement in Java. So I want to go for Python implementation. Sir, even in Python also we have one beautiful function is there. Using that we can able to solve. What is that function? S is equal to input I am taking. So print of S of colon colon -1. The people who are coming from Python background, they know very well. Sir, colon colon -1 means it is a slice operator which will read the data from the last to first, not from first to last, not from left to right. It will read the data from right to left. Sir, if you read the data from right to left, sir, what will happen? The entire string is going to be reversed or not? Yes. Let me run the code. Sir, you can able to see the reversed content. Yes. And let us submit the code for final approval. Sir, all the test cases are passed. Sir, this is nothing but how you can able to solve this problem in Python. Could you please confirm, guys? Do you have any doubts up to this? Clear, right? Requesting everyone to respond. Reverse not using buffer. No, it is not possible. You have to go with normal number theory concept only, Karthik. How we implemented in the C language, in the same style you have to implement in Java. Okay. So without a string buffer, it is not possible. Clear? Yeah. So this is nothing but what we have. Okay.